Hi friends, I'm Sai Kiran HR consultant. Today I would like to show you how to find an email address of the employee using Vlookup formula. So let's get started. So now I want to find email address of the employee with employee code 104. So to get this email address of the employee of 104, we use this formula Vlookup, open bracket, select the employee code column, comma, select entire data, that is the 3 columns, comma 3, comma 0, and enter. So now you'll see, like, you have find the email address of the employee 104. So likewise, if you want to know email address of the employee 110, you'll get that one. See, it's very simple. Like if you want to know email address of the employee 102, you'll get that one. So this is, like, easy method to find the email address of the employees. Thank you so much for watching this video.